Hello people, and thank you for your subscribing. I gotta show you something. This anti-cellulite massage oil, oh my god, this is amazing, guys. Basically, this is meant to melt all your cellulite. You know when your legs is looking like a cheesy with the fat surrounded. Oh my god, I can't believe it. I wish I knew this before. I just found out, thank god. It's a friend of mine recommended. And also I've been seeing it advertised on TikTok. I'm on TikTok. If you have TikTok, please, you see my TikTok on top there, just click and follow me. I purchased it last week and it's quick delivery in UK. It came after 3 days. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna show you the area where I use it. I used to have, my feet used to be fat, and then I used to have a cheesy feet and always feel ashamed to put on skirts, trousers and anything. So I've been suffering wearing leggings for the rest of my life for the past 12 years. Didn't know. So I just started using this month. You know, it's not even been 3 weeks, but it's very effective. My legs look so smooth. So you stay there, I'm gonna show you. And by the way, I will put the link in my bio, so with the code, if you're interested in it, you like me, you would like to get help, so you can go and buy it. So guys, this is my legs looking now. Here I used to have a lot of cellulite. It used to look like cheesy bit, but now it's all looking smooth and stuff like that. What I do after wash, I just apply, and then you need to give it a massage. And especially here, I've got some dimples, so I make sure I massage it everywhere, every day, twice a day. Where there's the most cellulite, just massage it. If you have a roller, you can roll it. You know, don't worry. You know, it takes a time to, you know, not everything work perfect just once. You have to apply so most frequently. You have to be consistent. Yeah, that's the word. So guys, look at it. So guys, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'm here to help, guys, so leave your comments, like and share. All because of this little miracle. That's why my legs looks like this. I am so shocked. Thank you for liking. Please share. Thank you. Bye.